Raymond from Montana got a chance to be on television, 2 years old. Isn't he cute? Anyway, Al's got to check the weather out. What's happening?
Everybody loves Raymond. So we like that. Hey, we got a young man here. What's your name?
Alan.
Alan.
Yes.
So what's the deal?
Well, the deal is I came to New York to raise awareness for little Donnie disease, Magnum Biliophallocytis, and I also want to propose marriage to a very beautiful woman.
What's her name?
Alan.
No, her name.
Karen.
A little nervous, are you?
Yeah, I am very nervous. Little Donnie disease is very important.
Where's Karen at?
Karen is in Chicago.
Karen, are you there?
Hello.
Hi, Karen. How you
Karen!
doing? Hey, back off. We want to work.
I'm sorry.
We want to build this up, Alan. Settle down. How long have you been dating this guy?
Oh,
2.5. Be honest.
Alan,
I'm sorry.
Settle down here. We're not going to do this. Now settle down. Karen, how long have you been dating?
A couple of years.
Couple of years. All right. He says 2.5. Anyway, he has something he wants to ask you.
Okay.
Go ahead, Alan.
Karen?
Yes?
Will you marry me?
Sure.
Yeah! Little Donnie! I love you, Karen!
Love you too.
Karen!
Okie doke, let's go. Let's take a look, show you what's going on right now. Oh my, no more coffee for Alan. Lots of sunshine.